Hello everybody, what's up? Yasser here back again, and today in this video we are gonna see how we can be completely anonymous in the world of internet. So it is a kind of interesting topic to discuss. So in this video we are gonna be discussing about that, and as far as I know, and yes, you might also know that some of the popular ways of getting anonymous are configuring proxy chain using Tor, and you can even use VPN. But I usually don't use VPN, and as far as I know, VPN have big DNS leakage, and you can just go to your favorite browser and you can just write VPN DNS and leak test, and you can test your VPN leak test. So you can just go through any website and that's there. So I will not go through this one. So this one will be okay, I guess, and I think this one will hopefully work well for you. So I'm not using VPN anymore, and what I'm using is configuring some proxy chains and using Tor as well. So you can just go to your any favorite browser and you can just write okay, and here you go. And I think okay, this one will be okay. Okay, you can see IP address, and I recommend you to use SOC 4 or SOC 5 and this one. Okay, so okay, this will be okay, and you can just copy one of the IP address from here and you can just open your terminal. Okay, let me open it. So you can cd to etc and sorry, what the hell is happening, and you can just do sudo and you can just do sudo nano proxy change.config change4.config, and you can configure your proxy chain it's for your requirements. So what I recommend is that you can just make one comment at the end of the text file, and you can make a comment of that looks something similar like that, edit proxies, so that if you want to remove those proxies, then you can easily remove or uncomment from this line. So this will be, I hope this will be easy for you. And another way is using Tor. So you can just head over to Torghost GitHub and you can clone its URL, and okay, let me see which one will be okay. I think this one will be right. Alright, so let me see. Oh, I don't think this will work. I often keep on using, okay, let me see. Okay, this might work, I think. So this one is okay, so this one might work, and you can just copy its URL and clone in your terminal, and you can use Tor as well. So another way is you can even download Tor browser from the internet, and you can if you are downloading it in Linux, then you have its zip file. So let me show you, and after unzipping it you will have such interface. Just you can just do double click on it, and okay, it's showing me error, but in your case it might not show error, and you can just unzip your Tor file and you can just double click and open it, and I hope this will be easy for you. And another main thing is you need to change your MAC address as well. So let me open my terminal, and so you can just do MAC changer and hyphen, and you will see various options. So you can just specify MAC changer and you can specify your needs from here, and you can just do -r and define your interface, then you can do it. So I hope you guys got the video. And one more thing that guys, you can just do sudo net discover and net discover -r, and you can specify the IP address of your router, and you can see various clients connected to the same router. And in case you wanna hide your IP address, or if you wanna DDoS their MAC address in some website or something else, you can set it as on using that MAC changer. So another okay guys, one more thing, that you can use cron tab. So you can just do cron tab -e, and you can even configure more here. And this is a bash shell script, and you can with this script, your MAC address will be assigned to the random value whenever you will reboot your system. So just write @reboot and MAC changer, which we have already seen before, and that is route of the random that will assign the random value to your interface, which is in my case it's WLAN0, because I'm using this Kali as my primary OS. So you can configure it by yourself. I hope you guys liked this video and you found it useful. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So okay, take care, bye.